Hello, thank you for joining us on ERi-TV. This is English News Broadcast live from the headquarters in Asmara at exactly 10:30 p.m. local time. First, the top stars. Encouragement to outstanding students. National mountain race organized in Karen. Death toll rises to 42 in Kazakh mine fire. Dozens of Ukrainian drones target Crimea. Sama'atat Secondary School handed out awards to 123 students who scored 3 to 4 at the 2022-2023 National Living Examination. The awards are members of the 35th round of the national service. At the ceremony conducted yesterday, 28 October, the director of the school, Mr. Birhane Waldu, stated that 64.5% of the 442 of their students who sat for the 2022-2023 National Living Examination scored a passing level. He further said that 48% of the 123 students who passed were females and 40 students scored all 4 points. Speaking at the event, Mr. Belay Habtegaber, head of the Ministry of Education branch in the Central Region, congratulated Sama'atat Secondary School, stating that school ranked second in the whole region in terms of the number of students who passed the 2022-2023 National Secondary School Living Examination. In related news, Bahta Maskaram Junior School in Asmara awarded 30 outstanding students who scored 90 and above in the 2022-2023 8th grade national examination. Speaking at the ceremony conducted yesterday, the director of the school, Mr. Saleh Abdu, called on the awardees to become competitive students in their future academic endeavors. Mr. Saleh Mohammed, administrator of the Adaga Hamus subzone, Mrs. Saleha Mohammed, on her part, pledged to provide the awardees with stationary needs for grade 9 and called for increased participation on the part of parents and teachers in the teaching living process. Similarly, a number of schools, including Adulis, Dalul, Al-Amal Model, and Maites Faha, organized ceremony awards to 66 outstanding students who scored high points in the 8th grade national examination. National Mountain Race 2023, organized by the National Athletics Federation, concluded today, 29 October, with victory of the clubs of the Southern Region and Dandan. The race that was concluded at It'Abr Mountain, men under 20 and above from the Southern Region and over 20 years of the age, men from Dandan Club of the Ministry of Defense won the race. Likewise, females under 20 years of age covered 6 kilometers. Females over 20 years of age covered 8 kilometers. Men under 20 covered 8 kilometers and over 20 years of age covered 10 kilometers. 6 clubs competed in the event, with the Southern Region winning the women's category and Dandan Club winning the men's category. In related news, motor cars and motorbikes race ranging from 1300 to 200 cc's and from 125 to 175 cc's respectively, organized by the National Motor Cars and Motorbikes, were conducted today, 29 October, at Beit Gerges area. Now we have international news. Stay tuned. The death toll from a fire at mine owned by ArcelorMittal in Kazakhstan rose to 42 people today as a search for 4 miners continued, the Ministry of Emergency Situations said. Emergency services are searching for the miners in 2 main areas of the wreckage spaced more than 400 kilometers apart. The search operation is hampered by the presence of destroyed mining equipment as well as rubble in some places, the ministry said in a statement. The local unit of Luxembourg-based steel maker ArcelorMittal said 206 of 252 people at the Kostenko mine had been evacuated. The fire, which is believed to have been sparked by a methane blast, broke out on the same day as a deal to nationalize the company's mining operation in Kazakhstan was confirmed. Kazakh President Kassym-Jomart had ordered investment in the country's biggest steel mill to be halted prior to the blaze as he pushed for nationalization. At least 36 UAVs had been intercepted over the Black Sea overnight, according to the Defense Ministry. Several dozen Ukrainian drones have been spotted and destroyed over the Black Sea and the northern part of the Crimean Peninsula, the Russian military said early this morning. Russian air defense have prevented yet another attempted terrorist attack by the Kyiv regime, with 36 plane-type drones intercepted en route to Crimea, the military said in a brief statement shortly before 2 a.m. local time, without providing any further details. There were no reports of damage or casualties on the ground, and the local officials have yet commented on the incident. Kyiv has stepped up rocket and drone attacks on Crimea in recent months. On September 13, Ukraine struck a shipyard in Sevastopol with cruise missiles, damaging 2 naval vessels, according to the Russian military. Now we have a quick review of the top stories. Encouragement to outstanding students. National mountain race organized in Karen. Death toll rises to 42 in Kazakh mine fire. Thousands of Ukrainian drones target Crimea. That wraps up our news for this evening. Thank you for being with us.